welcome back to another video. I know I just did this video, but this girl just came up to my house and said, I'm a fan of Cassie. So she's I don't know what she's gonna do. Oh, she said hi. Let me say hi back because she's a fan. She's like, hi. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what she's gonna say. I guess I'm good, but a little awkward because of that crazy thing with Jakey that happened, the crazy live stream. The most lovely. I'm just kidding. I'm so scared of what she's saying. Oh, no. Oh, I have to say thank you so much. What is she doing? Oh my god, what is she doing? What is she doing? Okay guys, she just asked me to trade. She's just moving around in my house because she really loved my house. She said if I could build her a house like this. Then what will she put? A crafted egg. Okay, I don't have anything to offer. Whoa! Wait, what is she doing? Why? Okay. She's. Oh no, I have to add something. No, I'm not going to let my dearest person talk. I don't know what to add. She really wants me to have this. Should I accept? Should I even do this? She says she have more items of the double, so she said accept, please. Oh my god, what will she say? I'm scared because like she really wants me to have this. Oh my god, why did I confirm it? Okay. Okay, I'm scared what she's gonna say. I don't know. Sorry. I don't know what she's doing. I think she's going to go get her license. Oh, maybe I should wait here. Okay, she's back now. It took her 3 minutes. Okay, what's she going to do now? She said trade. I'm just gonna say why. Cut. I knew she was gonna say because that's all. That's like trade. Why? Because that's like basically how it goes. Okay, she wants to give me something. So, okay. Who just traded me? Someone just popped in and traded me and then popped out. I don't know who was that. Okay, we're finally back in the trade. She don't want to her YouTube username to be on YouTube. And by the way, her username, I think she said hold on. Okay, she said tell them my username. Her name is called It's Panda 1. So yeah, that's her username because she's a fan of me and she used all her Robux to be like me. So basically, we'll have the same username. Okay. Wait, no, what? Wait, what the heck? Stop! God. Wait, keep the dog. Oh, wait, she already added it before I even said anything. Oh my God. What's wrong with this girl? Help. Help. Someone help. 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 This girl's going crazy. I'll give her a balloon. A human double balloon. This girl has gone mad crazy. She's giving basically me everything. I don't want to accept. She's okay. Sorry. Next. She just said accept. Okay. I'm sorry. She said accept. I don't know. Why? Just why? Why? Just why? Why does she want me to accept? I'm declining. I'm declining. Oh my God. She ever said, oh God. Oh, huggies, huggies. Oh my God. But I feel so bad because she gave me all of this stuff. I don't know why does she want me to accept. And then look in the vehicle. She gave me all of this. And then she gave me this, and I'm super sad. And I gave her stuff back, and she said, "Don't come, give me stuff because I want you to have it." And I'm disappointed of myself. Why me? Yeah. Well, I'm about to hang out with my new bestie. So yeah, she just walking around like creep. Okay, she needs to chill her beans. Okay, ooh, does she mean a screenshot with me? Okay, I'll do it. Let me get into a nice smile. Oh, she said she's gonna send it to me somehow. I don't know how. Oh, this is picture. Oh my God. This is the best moment ever. Where did she go? She did. She died. Oh no! Holy moly! Bye.